Hello, my name is Tyler Webb. I'm here today with
Mike Ciaccia, Director of Enterprise Access and Technology Alliances with Motorola Solutions.
We want to talk to you a little bit about the Avigilon Alta's offering with Allegion's hardware.
Yes. With the Avigilon Alta solution, which is our cloud-based access control and video, we have a wonderful integration with the LEB and NDEB locks, as well as the control locks through the Engage gateways, allowing us to get real-time communication back to them to our cloud-based platform.
You have the ability to cost-effectively put in real-time access control with that gateway and not have to put in pull cables to the door or anything like that, especially if you have older buildings, vaulted ceilings, whatever the case may be. This is a really good solution to enhance the security and the access control offerings with your solution.
Yeah, I mean, the wonderful thing about these locks is with the mortise and cylindrical aspect, they're easy to install. You don't need 12 different drill holes in it. You're not messing with the fire rating on it. It's an easy installation. It's going to connect back to the gateway. You're going to get the real-time communication. We're going to be able to handle all your credentials and see all the events coming back live into our Alta Access, which is hosted in AWS.
And future-proofing, you can have plastic today, mobile tomorrow, and you're good to go.
Yes, and eventually, wallet.
As always, Mike, great talking to you about your solution and our hardware.
Thanks, Ty. Great partnership.